Tesla is far more than an electric vehicle and energy storage company. It also ranks as one of the world's leading artificial intelligence AI businesses. But how is Tesla developing AI systems with human sustainability in mind? And if you stay a little bit longer, we'll talk about the news. So welcome to my channel where I give you the latest Tesla news. This is from bernardmar.com. First, some background. Hyperscale cloud companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Amazon Web Services often dominate the AI conversation amongst CIOs and futurists. Meanwhile, hardware companies such as Nvidia, AMD, IBM, and Lenovo have focused on supercomputer AI opportunities. Still, some believe that Tesla could emerge as the top AI company in the world. Some of the reason is that sensors in Teslas provide a real-life world network of data gathering. Tesla's back-end infrastructure, including homegrown supercomputer technology, can gather, manage, and analyze all of that data. AI is both a blessing and a burden for the world's sustainability efforts. While some AI applications allow scientists, universities, and businesses to study climate change, some worry AI and robotics could ultimately threaten humanity. So how is Tesla developing AI systems with human sustainability in mind? On the R&D front, Tesla's major AI investments involve full self-driving cars, trucks, and autonomous vehicles, FSD, the Optimus robots, Dojo, a supercomputer that went into production in August of 2023. So here's what Elon Musk said on sharing this sustainable technology. We are obviously happy to give any electric car companies access to our supercharger network. We are also happy to license FSD and perhaps other technologies and anything that could be helpful in advancing the sustainable energy revolution. Our energy storage business had another record year with deployments more than doubling and revenues increasing by more than 50%. About the Optimus robot, he said, I think we have a good chance of shipping some numbers of the Optimus units next year. Tesla is hedging its hardware bets, developing its own Dojo technology while ordering Nvidia hardware. Elon said, we are pursuing the dual path of Nvidia and Dojo, but Dojo is a long shot. Dojo is working and it's doing training jobs, and we are scaling up. We have plans for Dojo 1.5, Dojo 2, Dojo 3, and more. It has potential, but I can not emphasize enough high risk, high payoff. Hey, and if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates. He said, Tesla has assembled the best real-world AI team on Earth. We will continue to invest significantly in AI development, as this is really the mass game changer. Success in this regard long-term has the potential to make Tesla the most valuable company in the world by far. If you have fully autonomous cars at scale and fully autonomous humanoid robots that are truly useful, it is not clear what the limit is. Now, this is from TheStreet.com. Cathie Wood says Elon Musk's latest big plan could increase its market tenfold. Elon Musk efficiently introduced the idea of a $25,000 next-generation vehicle during Tesla's earnings call. He has been talking about this for several years now, unveiling Tesla's next-generation platform at Tesla's Investor Day, March 2023, a platform that he said will also be used to build the robotaxi business. In December, Musk said that Tesla is actively working on a cheaper next-generation vehicle that will be produced at scale. This production will be AI-led and fully automated, I'm sure. He called the production method a game changer. I still believe that Elon Musk came to us from the future. So, according to Reuters, Tesla's told suppliers that it would be more likely to begin production in 2025. During Tesla's last earnings call, Musk said that Tesla's current schedule says it'll start production towards the end of 2025, adding that he is often optimistic regarding time. Now, Musk said, I'm confident that once it is going, it'll be head over shoulders above manufacturing technologies that exist anywhere in the world. Both Gene Munster and Gary Black said that the lower-cost EV could be a huge catalyst for Tesla. So let's talk news. Elon Musk doubled down on his Delaware boycott, declaring of his companies would consider acquiring a Delaware incorporated entity. Elon was responding to a corporate lawyer who suggested Wyoming as an alternative, but acknowledged Delaware's importance for startups seeking funding for acquisitions. Also on Thursday, Elon Musk is set to appeal Tesla's compensation ruling. Shareholders and analysts have been expecting Musk to appeal the ruling, and a letter to the court earlier this week indicated that has finally happened. A letter to the court asked Delaware Judge Kathleen McCormick to pause ruling, according to the report from Reuters. Musk cannot appeal until approval of the judge, and the petition for a legal fee of how much Tesla will have to pay in the case. In 2018, shareholders supported the pay package when it was voted on. Shareholder Richard Tornetta sued Musk and the Tesla board on behalf of the company. One person, are you serious? Envy is not an attractive trait. Anyway, I like Dan Ives and what he said about this issue.
Look, $40 to $50 right now overhang on the stock because of this. The Delaware situation, I believe they need a comp package to supersede the 2018. Ultimately, Musk gets that package. This has been...
You want to see him get paid.
You want to see him get paid. This has already been approved by shareholders. Stop the nonsense. And I think this is something that the board needs to act now. Musk is the heart and lungs of Tesla. Tesla is Musk, Musk is Tesla. And I think that's something that's very, very important at this juncture. Clock struck midnight. Board needs to come out and act.
Also, and it's related to that, the company's headquarters is already in Texas. Mm-hmm. But you think they need to, and Musk has said he may do this, legally move the state of incorporation from Delaware to Texas?
I think it's not a question. They have to. I think not just from a Delaware perspective, you got to move to Texas at the shareholder meeting, put that up. I think the board needs to come out with a statement, and then the Musk 25% in terms of getting Musk to the 25% voting. Obviously, a lot of controversy there, but Brian, it is so important that AI, and we could be one of the biggest AI stories out there, AI stays under Tesla, which is, I think this is it's a pivotal point to make sure that Musk stays at Tesla through 2030 at least.
Dan said in another video that the case would have been simply thrown out of court. He couldn't understand what happened. I also like what Kevin O'Leary said about this case, which was move your companies out of Delaware immediately. On Friday, Benzinga reported Tesla released quarterly numbers at the end of January, missed on earnings and revenue, just as Elon warned in previous earnings calls. Hello. Cathie Wood scooped up 377,000 shares of Tesla stock for her ARKK ETF. Cathie Wood believes in a long-term vision of the company, which means buying after the stock dips, and she's buying on a discount. ARK constantly rebalances their funds holdings by selling off overperforming stocks and buying underperforming ones. ARK has returned 22% on the year. Wood is betting big on the company's delivering on its promise of autonomous driving technology, autonomous robots. ARK is investing heavily in AI and robotics, which will validate a stock price much higher than it's currently. So now, what is your opinion on Optimus, the end of 25,000 next generation vehicle? Do you believe that both could be released at the same time by the end of 2025? That would be amazing. I might just be dreaming. And in this stream, I'm posting what one analyst said about future revenues of TeslaBot, and you can watch that video right here. So thank you so much for being here. My name is Claudia. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.